Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reduce background noise in AirPods Pro. So if you have an AirPods Pro and you want to remove or reduce the background noise, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are three ways you can use to reduce or turn off background noise on your AirPods Pro. You can use the AirPods Pro itself, you can use the volume control, and you can also use the AirPods Pro settings on your iPhone. Then the first approach is if you have your AirPods Pro in your ear, locate the stem button, press and hold it until you hear a chime. So once you hear a chime, this is going to turn on noise cancellation on your AirPods, and this is going to reduce the background noise. Alternatively, if you want to use the AirPods Pro or this one is too complicated for you to get, just go ahead, grab your iPhone. On the iPhone, locate and click on the settings app. Then you should see your AirPods Pro connected to your iPhone. Now, go ahead and click on the AirPods Pro name. Then you should see noise control. Under noise control, turn on noise cancellation. So if noise cancellation is turned off, turn on noise cancellation. However, if you are unable to turn on noise cancellation, make sure both AirPods are not kept in the AirPods case. So if you have either of the AirPods in the casing, you'll not be able to turn on noise cancellation on your AirPods Pro. Now, once that is done, you are good. Alternatively, you can also swipe down the control center, locate the volume button, press and hold it, and then locate noise control, click on that, and then choose noise cancellation. So once you selected noise cancellation, this is going to reduce background noise on your AirPods Pro. So that's exactly how to reduce background noise in AirPods Pro. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.